Welcome to this week's updated edition of the Sacramento area's most wanted fugitives. All 4 of this week's people on the run are wanted on felony warrants. First up is Joshua Kelley, wanted by the Sacramento County Sheriff's Department for assault likely to cause great bodily injury and grand theft. Kelley is known to frequent the Citrus Heights area, though his current residence is unknown. Also wanted by the Sacramento Sheriff's Department is Matthew Gutierrez. Gutierrez is wanted for corporal injury on a spouse or cohabitant and false imprisonment. He was in a relationship with the victim when he is said to have assaulted him or her, causing injury and falsely imprisoning the victim. He was last known to live on the 6000 block of North Crest Circle in Carmichael. Next is Wanda Hicks, who is wanted on charges of assault with a deadly weapon, assault likely to cause great bodily injury, and battery by the Sacramento police. Hicks allegedly assaulted her victim in December, hitting the victim on the head and causing the victim to need stitches. She also struck another victim in the face. She was last known to live on the 4000 block of Fell Street in Sacramento. Last up is Luis Enrique Gutierrez. Gutierrez is wanted for possession of a firearm by a felon and possession of narcotics paraphernalia by the Sacramento police. Gutierrez was allegedly found to have a handgun, numerous rounds of ammunition, and narcotics paraphernalia during a traffic stop in May 2017. He has a tattoo on the left side of his neck and was last known to live on the 4800 block of Tangerine Avenue in Sacramento. If you have information about any of these people, please call 800-222-7463 or 916-443-4357 or report online at crimealert.org.